yung film na to at maibahagi sa sa buong Pilipinas na mapanood niyo po. And one of the things that we're doing is tagging our key influencers in our nation, and we're believing start po kami to have a special screening for youth leaders natin sa bansa. And ngayon po, ginagawa naman po namin in partnership with Sir Alvin's team is looking at screening, because we're believing that one of the influencers sa ating bansa ay kayo pong mga guro, kayo pong mga educators. So, kung nagustuhan niyo po ang aming pelikula, kami po ay nag-ask po ng inyong tulong na maibahagi yung aming pelikula sa inyong mga estudyante, sa mga katrabaho niyo at mga kaibigan at mga pamilya, syempre po. Ayun, nagustuhan niyo po ba yung film? Ayun po. So, ayun. Meron po kaming Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram. Just search General Luna, the movie. And we also have a good website. It's www.generalluna.movie.com. And yun po. And we also prepared something special for students na nakipag-arrange po kami sa lahat ng sinihan sa buong Pilipinas to give a special discount for students. They just need to present their valid school ID, their present school ID, and they will get their tickets for General Luna 50% off. Yun po. And one more thing is that we also organized with the cinemas, if you teachers are going to organize a block screening. Ang block screening po ay kapag kunin niyo po yung sinehan at yung buong sinehan for a time para po mag-view yung General Luna, the cinema will give you also a 50% discount. So yun po.
Pati yung teacher po.
Pati yung teacher kasama na rin po dun sa 50% off. So you can also watch the film 50% off discount. And we're really encouraging you na mapanood po ang aming pelikula sa sinihan para po, alam niyo po yun, mas sulit yung experience with good sound, with good projection, yan po, para mas makita natin lalo si Paula Pilino on the big screen. Joke lang po. We're really believing po kasi na film is a very powerful tool in educating. It's a very powerful tool on influencing and teaching our generation today. So kaya po nag-ask po talaga kami ng inyong tulong sa pag-promote ng aming pelikula. And at the same time, if you can, pag makita niyo po yung laman ng inyong tote bags, yung General Luna tote bags, bukod po sa Oishi, isa po sa aming mga sponsors. Papasalamat po kami sa Oishi. Meron po kayo makikita dyan na libro. Yan po. It's General Luna. Yes. General Luna, the history behind the movie. An interview with Dr. Vivencio R. Jose, author of The Rise and Fall of Antonio Luna. The Rise and Fall of Antonio Luna, yung libro po na yun, doon po kami nag-base. Well, marami pong sources, pero it's one of the sources, yung ni Dr. Vivencio Jose. So, since yung libro na yun ay hindi na po, out of print na po siya, at naghirap po siyang hanapin sa mga libraries, ang ginawa po namin ng Artikulo Uno Productions ay we did an interview, one-on-one interview with Dr. Jose. And
In front of the Spoliarium.
yes, in front of the Spoliarium. Siguro po before September ay mailalabas na rin po namin yung isa sa mga interviews namin with him. Yung libro po na yun ay synthesized version of that interview. So, sa inyo po, binibigay po namin yan sa inyo for free. But we're also selling that in national bookstores nationwide for 120 pesos only. So if you guys kung nagustuhan niyo po yung libro, pwede niyo rin po siyang i-recommend sa mga students ninyo. Also, on that note, Sir Alvin here, mag-i-email po kami sa inyo ng teaching guide in cooperation po with the film General Luna. So if you wanted the film to be part of your curriculum, your subject niyo po, mag-i-email po kami ng study guide for that. So yun po. Maraming salamat po at hindi ko po patagalin. Bigay ko na po kay Sir Alvin for the discussion. Thank you po.
Salamat po.